Hi everybody, this is Don DeFlavis Construction LLC. We are just finishing up another full scope remodeling project. This one is in the Bridgewater in Bonita Springs, Florida. We did a complete renovation over here. This is an all new kitchen that we put in. We had to take out some walls that were here to open this up. We did the cabinetry, countertops. On this one, the backsplash is a continuation of the material that's on the countertops. It's the quartz material. We're using the large format plank tile on the floors. This is the shaker style doors. It's been really popular lately. On the interior doors, there's a crown mold detail here. Let me take you into the first bathroom. We reworked this laundry area here. Used to be a closet and now it's just open for a separate washer dryer. We still have to do the shower enclosure in here. That's on back order, so we just have a curtain up in the meantime so the folks can use the shower. And this is a smaller bathroom, but it's kind of cool. It's got a neat feature with a charging station down here inside the bathroom vanity. We did a full panel on the back of the peninsula here. Again, the large format porcelain tile. We painted the entire condo, and of course all the moldings, baseboards, crown and doors. This is also of course waiting for the shower enclosure, but this is a really cool started to say kitchen, but bathroom. It's got a lot of nice cabinetry in it, plenty of storage. So this is it, Don DeFlavis Construction. You can find us on Facebook and on our webpage, which is www.dondeflavis.com.